Hey guys, this is Cody. Welcome to my new channel. It's gonna start out kinda slow. I don't really have the visual and audio quite up to par yet, but I thought I'd make this quick video to just welcome you and invite you to my channel. I really hope to grow in the ASMR community. It's been really great so far. There'll be more videos up soon, but I did just want to get a quick one up. I'm in the process of creating channel art and whatnot. I'm a graphic designer by trade. Hopefully soon there'll be some better visuals to go along with what I'm saying. Camera-wise, I'm not doing so hot right now. So, for the time being, they'll be mainly audio-based. There'll be some visual and maybe kind of do an audio-visual kind of journey, if you will. So, my channel is called Morning Dew ASMR. Now, you might be wondering what that means. The obvious meaning, of course, is when you wake up in the morning and you go outside and there's dew on the ground. But, that's kind of part of it, but that's not the large part of it. The main source for the name comes from a song called Morning Dew. I enjoy greatly. It's been performed by a lot of different musical groups and bands. Most notably, in my mind, would be the Grateful Dead. Does a wonderful version of this song. Please check it out if you haven't, because it's pretty great. So this video is going to be a quick one, just kind of introducing things. If you have any ideas or your favorite triggers, please let me know in the comments. Right now I'm at 0 subscribers, so if you subscribe, congratulations, you're one of the first. But please comment or subscribe if you haven't yet. I do really want to grow this channel and see where we can go. I kind of like the Morning Dew theme. Not really psychedelic, but okay, maybe a little psychedelic. And just kind of see where it goes. I'm extremely interested in your thoughts, ideas, etc. about this. I'm going to be editing most of this out because, let's face it, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but after my edits and multiple first time screw-ups, it'll probably end up being pretty short. So expect, hopefully I'm going to try to do 2 videos a week. I'm not quite sure about yet, but like I said, I'm growing. I decided after being inspired by so many excellent ASM artists that I want to create. So here it is, in all its glory, Morning Dew ASMR.